Oh my god, look what came in today. Well, not today, really. Came by like 2 weeks ago. But I'm finally doing a review on it. Alright, so Influencer, which is the company that I got this beautiful box from, has sent over a Lancome for this month. Their campaign is the Lancome, just the Lancome Paris. So it says they gave me a card, a little stock card, and it came with the individual box that is in here. But I use all the products. I already took them out. But so I'm gonna tell you guys each thing that I got. So I received the TEINT IDOLE Ultra Makeup Stick in the shade 555 suede. I meant 550 suede. And this is how it swatch. It looks nice here. It doesn't look like my skin in here. It's not my makeup color though. I use it for concealer. But it's a nice, smooth, creamy finish. It says that it's supposed to feel and look more like your skin, which it does. It feels hydrated, which is a plus for me. Use it as foundation or spot concealer on the go. It's oil-free, all-day wear, matte finish, medium to full coverage. It has SPF 21. It is also transfer free, which I could attest to that. It over, and it's smudge proof for coverage that lasts all day, and it's relevant in 30 shades. So this is some of the pictures that they chose to show the range of shades that they have. Also, I have the TEINT IDOLE Camouflage Concealer. I have it in the shade 550. It's pretty good. With me, I will use it mainly to for if I'm going out at nighttime and I want to pop up a little more, because the 550 tends to be a little too orange for me. So I just leave it for whenever I go out at night. But this is how it swatches on your hand. It's like a more golden, warm. It's more golden. Yeah, it's definitely more golden, and this is more warm in person. But you can see it's like yellow. But it's really nice. I use it sometimes to prime underneath my eye. Also, it came with the MONSIUER Big Classic oh my gosh, mascara. And this is not the waterproof one, but this is the regular mascara. It says that it is your new go-to mascara, which it low-key is. It delivers 12 times the volume for bold, falsy-like lashes. My lashes are pretty short, so we're going to see. Why do I have something in my lash? Oh, it's probably my soap. But yeah, it's supposed to be smudge-proof, summer-proof, and no flaking, no smudging. I'm like reading everything. And then also it came with a primer for your lashes as well. It's called the Cils, C-I-L-S, Booster XL Mascara Primer. That's a long name, first of all. But it is promised for you to apply this as the first step to put on your mascara. So what it does, it conditions your lashes, prime them to maximize the result of the mascara. It also has vitamin E, microfibers to add the extra long length and thickness to your lashes for a visible show-stopping look. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this tutorial. So, oh yeah, and before we do, let me just tell you, before I continue, look down, scroll down, click that subscribe button right now. You feel me? And oh snap, I'm so rude. Welcome, y'all. I don't got no welcome song. I don't got none of that. But just scroll down, subscribe right now if you're not subscribed to our channel, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep saying subscribe. Subscribe. Okay. Okay. So now that we subscribed, we're gonna start with our face. So this is my go-to. This is my normal, because my face is going through, I don't know, We're gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna start ahead and use the Lancome Prep and Matte. I'm keeping everything Lancome today. I love Lancomes. It's my legit. It took me a good amount of time to figure out what the heck to use on my face. But their primer, their foundation, the finish is lit. Okay. So this is a hydrating. They have a hydrating one too, but it's hydrating, but it mattifies your skin because I have oily skin. So. Okay, now that we have that on, I'm going to start and go ahead with my eyebrows that I could do off camera, and I'll be right back. So we're going to go in and use the Tint Idole in the shade 550 Suede to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm just using a 107 BH Cosmetic brush to clean. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead with our face. And oh, just a quick little review. It feels really smooth on the skin. It's primarily it's blendable. Excuse me. I'm going with my blending brush, also from BH Cosmetics. Sorry if you hear all the little clink, clink, clink sounds, because I'm looking for it. It is the blending brush in the number 121. I'm just going to use it and blend it with my skin, so you won't see it once I apply the foundation. But legit, like, look, it just blends with my skin. I could go out with this concealer. Like, I legit could go out with this concealer. Like, this ring light makes my face look more like I have a lot of dark spots, but let me turn it off and look. Barely, and it's like nothing is there. But the ring light tells you everything, so it's okay. You can snitch on me. Snitch. But I'm gonna show you how coverage this is. But it did say that it is medium coverage, so this is good. So that means it is also buildable if it's medium to full coverage. So we have this all blended out. I'm going to check on my face to see what areas that I would like to conceal. Do I even care? I don't conceal that much. See, this eyebrow's fatter. I somewhat fixed it, but I know they ain't twins, they sisters. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just go in. I'm going to conceal some spots. I have some dark spots everywhere, but I'm not going to put this concealer everywhere. So what I'm going to do is just grab this concealer, conceal the corners of my lip. I normally like to get my Lancome translucent setting powder. It is called the Long Time No Shine. I like to use it to set underneath my face before applying my foundation. Alright. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is in the shade 555. Almost fell. It's 555, also from Lancome. Oh, alright. Now I'm back with the concealer. I'm gonna go back with this because, like I said, this is a little too orange for me. I mean, my face is a little defined with it, but I'm gonna just use it to highlight some of my peaks. So I'm gonna go in with the concealer and then blend this in. I'm gonna do this underneath my eye. And then, like I said, I'm gonna just use it to highlight just a bit. I'm gonna go in with the concealer, the 510 concealer, and just Literally, a dot goes a long way, so don't try to squeeze a big old dot. So I'm gonna just do, I'm like lightly squeezing it. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in with my long time no shine and bake underneath my eye. Yo, do y'all not see the chocolate that's happening here, man? Bruh. Lancome, that's still all my coins. All of it. Just get it. Get the bag. Get the bag. Get the bag. Where the bag at? Where the bag at? Where the bag at? Y'all need to get the bag because y'all tripping. Y'all play too much. Trying to take all my damn money. What's wrong with y'all? I am a struggling. I'm not even a student yet. At the moment. Mm. Bruh. Bruh. Trying to steal all my money. But look. This is me close up. But this is me in person. How y'all doing? I ain't fooling nobody. People gonna be like, girls, your skin. It's Lancome. It is Lancome. Everything Lancome. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is just add my little highlight. I'm not gonna go super crazy. I will be using the Laura Mercier. Influencer also sent me this. They sent me this with the skin tint moisture, which that was an epic fail. But the primer was lit. I love their primer. The primer is amazing. But the skin tint, it looked like how the 510 looked like on my face. So I was just like, nah. But this, honey, this is the shade Indiscretion. It's the face illuminator. I like it. I like it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. It's like a champagne color. It's super nice. So let me stand afar because I need y'all to see the glory. Look, this is my face before. Y'all don't understand. Look, y'all tripping. Y'all need to sign up for Influencers today. Y'all need to go to Sephora right now and go buy yourself this. Girl, look. You see my little stand? You see what I'm saying? But look, girl, look. Like, girl, you don't even need a lot. People will talk to you and be like, hi. Y'all tripping. Everybody has their own way of applying highlighter. I like to do a fake little curve. Why am I falling? I like doing a fake little curvature right here. I like to dust on my forehead. Anywhere that shines. That's where I like to dust at. Anywhere that shines. Any facial features that's too much for me. That's where I like to dust at, okay? Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and do underneath my eyebrow. Like I said, this is a light makeup. This is like everyday look without the lashes. Girl, you're going to be walking, people be like, what, Savannah? This is my face all the time. This is legit my face, y'all. It's so bad. It's not the grand finale yet, girl. We got like a few steps. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna throw on falsies anyway, but just for this video I'm not. But I'm gonna throw it on afterwards. But now we're gonna go with the Cils. How can you? The Cils Booster XL, the primer. I'm trying to block this. So it comes out like this, and all you're gonna do is apply it on your lashes. It's like conditioner. Okay, we got these bad boys on. It's a little conditioner. Sometimes it dries out, sometimes it doesn't. But look, it already assists my lashes. I have no lashes, but look how it makes my lashes look like I got lashes. I ain't walking out like this though, but look. So now I'm gonna go in with the Monsieur. I don't know how to say that. My dad tried to teach me French, but it didn't work out. My pastor from my daddy's church tried to teach me French. It did not work out. One day, maybe, but I'm gonna stick with my little Creole. Como ça va? You feel me? You know, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in and apply mascara. I mean, it does everything that it promises. Like, I have no lashes, so for it to make my lashes look like I have lashes, I'm like super excited. It does lift them up by 12 times its volume. I don't know how to multiply that thing by 12 times its natural volume, but it thickened my lashes and gave it some more volume. It does have like a little clumping, but I don't know, maybe because I don't know how to put mascara on my own lash, but I always suck at it. But oh yeah, we're gonna finish off with the Fix It Forget It. As you can see, it's me and my sister sharing it. She uses it all day. This is me all day. I'm gonna spray our face. And voila. This is the Lancome. Girl, I'm like moving this box. Oh, my lip. Y'all's gonna make me walk around looking at my lip looking like. Alright, y'all. So, please stay tuned for my full review on the Lancome from Influensters. It's not from them. It's the Yeah, it is from them because they sent it to me. But please stay tuned for the next video about this beautiful bad boy. You feel me? Oh yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you guys like. Got 28 years. I'm gonna say it again. If you guys what? Oh, first of all, please subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share to your friends. Also, click that notification bell so it could go click whenever I drop a video. It was really great time talking to myself while talking to you. I appreciate it. If you guys have any ideas of looks that you guys want to see, please push that bad boy down in the comments below. You feel me? You dig? Oh, one thing. I have like a college t-shirt on. I used to go to Kaiser. That could be for story time, but I'm considering going back. But if you're in college right now, please drop down your school below. We can connect or whatever. You feel me? You dig? Alright, y'all. Bye.